guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. As you can see from here, this is the title of the new video. Alright, as you know, I've been thinking, okay, what videos do I have to do, okay, for the channel, okay, and this came up. Okay, so what happened, okay, me and my wife, okay, we were at Chinatown Point, okay, it's a building in Singapore, okay, we were at the parking lot, okay, we were going for our lunch and we are hungry. So there's this guy parking his car on the other side, so I was like, let me go and park on the other side of him, so that I don't have to wait for him. Right, so what happened was, okay, when I reversed, right, okay, as you can see, the sensor is over here. Okay, it is a 45-degree pillar, it's somewhere over here. Okay, and when I'm reversing, I actually saw the guy who is parking the car. Right, so I think I blocked him, I was like, hey, sorry. I was giving the hand sign, and before you know it, I hit this to the corner of the pillar of the car park. Alright, and as you can see, it actually went all the way in through the bumper. Okay, the bumper is cracked. Okay, and part of the tail light is actually broken. Okay, I actually checked online, it's a very expensive repair. Alright, so for today's video guys, this is not, okay, trust me, okay, this is not the best way to repair this. Okay, because firstly, I'm not a professional. Secondly, I don't have professional tools or materials. Okay, and thirdly, okay, I just want this to be not so ugly. I mean, not so unsightly for the time being, okay, because most likely I'll be getting the M bumper, okay, which has the area for the rear diffuser, because this one is the original bumper, okay, which I actually cut two outlets, an additional outlet, okay, for the exhaust pipe over there. Okay, so I'll be changing this, okay, and if I'm going to change the brake lights, right, okay, I might be going for the LCI brake light. Okay, which is the one with the LEDs lah. Okay, I mean, there's no point you buy an original one, okay, where you can even upgrade it. Alright, so guys, okay, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this and this. Alright, so for those of you who are first time here, okay, there'll be a lot of DIY videos coming. Okay, there won't be so many accident videos. I hope there won't be so many. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to show you guys. Alright, so let's go. okay, that's the end of the whole video. Okay, it actually took me a while, okay, and upon repairing it, right, I realized both of them look like I mean, I thought I could salvage it, okay, but in the end, okay, after I look at the tail light, okay, I mean, it looks okay when it's not turned on, okay, but when it's turned on, right, okay, all the cracks and the lines, okay, will actually show up, okay, and for the bumper, okay, because I think, okay, the problem is, okay, I did not hit a round wall, I don't know how to call it, okay, a round item. Okay, I hit a 90-degree pillar. Okay, that 90-degree right actually hit. Okay, actually caused a line. Okay, all the way down the bumper. Okay, I actually tried to push it out. Okay, the whole dent I managed to push it out. Okay, but the line right, it is still there. Okay, and it's very obvious. Right, so guys, okay, that's the best I can do. Okay, for those of you who have a lighter one, a lighter accident. Okay, like unlike mine, perhaps you can try this step. Okay, because I managed to get quite a lot of the dent out, okay, just by the hairdryer. Okay, you can try the hot water method as well, okay, because I've seen people do that as well. Alright, and for the tail light, okay, if you have a small crack, a light crack, okay, you can try it. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please remember to smash the like button. Remember to subscribe, okay, we'll have more videos like this coming up. Alright, so guys, stay safe, stay healthy, happy morning your car, and drive safe when you're parking. See ya. Bye.